Zoe, so beautiful. Zoe is my quietest of all cats, so it's nice to see her. Today I want to talk to you about Posca Pens. These little bad boys are such a cool, hi Maggie, everyone's just coming in, are such a cool addition to your mixed media arsenal. They're basically paint in a pen, and it makes application for any mixed media project super easy peasy, and really fun. I especially, you can ask any of my students, I'm such the worst at details, and trying to paint something with a teeny tiny brush is really difficult. So these pens make it really easy. They're very widely available throughout the world. They're filled with light fast acrylic ink. They come in a ton of different nib sizes, from this teeny weeny tiny pen all the way to increasing numbers. They also have a brush nib that's available, and they also have like a Mac Daddy thick nib. So they come in a huge variety of nibs, and as you can see, a huge variety of colors as well. So what kind of things do I use this for? So in my mixed media applications, I use Posca pens all the time for any kind of detail work, like I was just mentioning. So like on this painting, like all these little, like see these paper clips, like see the little highlights and the outlines, those are all made with these Posca pens. Little white highlight here, all these outlines, okay, her white highlights in her hair, all these little zigzags, all these little tiny touches are all drawn in with the Posca pens on top. So they layer up amazingly well with all your other underneath acrylics and sealers. The only thing is that, like every kind of marker, you want to make sure that whatever you're working on is totally dry before you go use them, because that's a great way to kill your markers. But they work on top of all your sealant layers, all your Mod Podge, matte mediums, gessos, paints. They're a really fantastic product when it comes to mixed media work, but you can also use it in non-mixed media applications too if you want. And so today, for example, I made these, this floral little, I guess I'm calling it a library for my drawing students at Awesome Art School. And I'm gonna be coloring them in with a combination of alcohol markers and Posca pens. So this is the perfect example of different ways that you can use pens that are outside of a classical, like messy collage mixed media application. So in this case, I'm going to be doing the bottom layers with the alcohol markers like Copics for the colors, and then I'm putting the Poscas on top. Now, a question you might have is, well, can you reverse it? Can you put the Poscas on the bottom and the alcohol markers on top? And the answer is no, you can't. For a couple different reasons, mostly just having to do with interactions and ingredients. But so just remember that when you're using Posca pens, they're always going to be on top of other things, okay? So especially since they're details, if you just remember that they go last, you can pretty much layer them over anything else. So the way that all of these work, regardless of the nib, they all work the same way. So when you open up your Posca pen, it's like there's a tube in here that's filled with the paint, and you can hear the little shaky roller. So this nib is squeezable, okay? So just to get the ink flowing, I always use my fingernail. It's super weird. I don't know why, but I just do. I depress the nib onto my fingernail or piece of paper or palette or whatever, and then you just keep it depressed. By depressed, I don't mean sad. And then you just simply keep this depressed, and then the ink will start to work its way down the chamber inside and out to the nib, and then here we go, there it comes, okay? So it's very easy to get these started. And then what's amazing about Posca that I think makes them superior over other brands is that you don't have to do a lot of work once you get this flowing. You don't have to simply work on this. Sharpie makes an oil-based marker that are really kind of pains in the butt, and you can't get them, like the nib will dry and then you can't reactivate it, and sometimes they get clogged and you have a really hard time getting the ink to flow, or the ingredients will separate, the pigments will separate from the oil, and it's kind of a mess. Sharpie does have a water-based brand as well. Here's an example. Sharpie has a water base and an oil base. Just so FYI, these are fantastic, and this is the water base, has the blue bottom. The oil base that I was just talking about has this pink bottom. These are great, and these work exactly the same way as Posca pens, so I highly recommend Sharpie paint pens as well. However, they come in like 2% of the colors that Posca pens are available in. So that's why I love Poscas so much, because I do so many huge colorful paintings. It's amazing to have like a million colors to choose from, but I do use the black and white Posca paint pens, the black and white Sharpie paint pens. I do use these all the time as well. And they also Sharpie does not come in as many nib sizes. I think it comes in 2 nib sizes and that's it, whereas Posca has 4 or 5. So there's a lot of reasons why Poscas are a go-to. They're also pretty affordable. You can buy a set for like under $40 for I think all 18 colors. Don't quote me on that, but you can check the link out below and see how accurate that. I think if I remember correctly, that's how much they cost. So yeah, I'm going to show you just a quick demo of how layering these products would work and what kind of the effects is. I also like these because they're totally opaque. So they sit amazingly well on top of other products. So you can see kind of the 2 markers together. You can see that the Copics are not opaque. You can see streaks, and they're a little bit more suited to larger areas because, of course, Copics, which I do a tons of work, and you have these big chisel nibs. Again, you do have a chisel nib, big marker option for the Poscas, but when you're doing drawings in smaller areas, then it becomes like too painty and messy and overwhelming. So what I do is I will couple this for the background, and then we'll do this for all the detail work on top. Just so much fun. So let me show you how I would do it.
I can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you that. No. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. 'Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't quit you now 'cause I love you. Yes, I do. I can't let you go, baby. I can't let
my strut. Always prepared, you never know who. Show